tree thing. Whatever.
Allie,
What?
how do you climb a tree?
Well, you sort of get on sturdy branches and you get up in high places.
Uh-huh. Is there any, sophisticated manner of doing this?
Well, I don't really think so. But you can get up by stepping on branches like your foot is like that.
Well, is there
Hey, Shannon, I just
a
found
theory
tiny
that you have to do it and
Look at
not
that yucky
fall?
bug.
Yeah, the bug is yucky. Is there a way you can do it and not ever
I can't
fall?
really see you.
Well, I'm right here. Is there a way you can do it and not fall or lose balance or anything?
You can lose balance.
You can?
You can fall from high down.
Yeah. Well, what if you fell right now? It'd be a long ways down, wouldn't it?
I'd just get a little down if I would fall.
You'd get a little down first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Would it hurt?
Well, a little maybe.
A little bit. How do you brace your fall?
You can hold on to a branch and then you can get on another branch and get down.
Was that the best way to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Thank you.
to me it is.
Okay. Well, thank you for your insight.
You're welcome.
Hello.
What? Oh. Hi. Oh, hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Oh, I don't really think so.
You're Dingleberry.
I love cookie dough. I want cookie dough.
What's your name?
I'm Frank.
Hi, Frank.
I'm Frank. Oh, that's wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, dump it in. Okay.
I'm Frank.
You're Frank?
I'm Frank.
You're
Yes.
kind of funny looking, Frank.
I'm Frank.
Say goodbye, Frank.
Bye.
Well, what it was I found out later that what the actual catalog number of the device.
Thank you, Iris, for doing my hair. Actually, I did this. Actually, she just...
This is Bethy's pet butterfly.
I've had many. Daniel found them. I found, Daniel found some snails. And look, they're moving right now. See? Woo! They're moving. Totally gross. Hi. What are you doing? Daddy. Bibbidi boppity boo. Bibbidi ba boo. Hi. Oh, hi.
So, what'd you learn recently?
About rice. They
Rice?
have, in many different countries, they have rice for,
And they have guts.
they have rice for every meal.
They have guts.
What kind of countries eat rice?
China.
Okay, that's good.
Stop. Hello, I'm doing dishes. I know. Oh, see. There, fits. It's how high I can go.
Don't lick my camera. What?
Who wants to come out to the house and go swimming with me? Oh, and have another popsicle? Sure.
We don't have any more popsicles.
I know that. Too bad you didn't have one either.
I had 2 today.
Ah! Too bad I didn't have 2. He only had
You're
one.
so weird. Hi. Runs in the family.
Oh, hi. I wonder what it feels like to be underwater all the time. I wonder if they want you to take this. I'm wondering. I got really close to a
Only the
squirrel.
opposite.
I wonder if they're wondering what it must feel like to live up above and oxygen and the air and carbon dioxide stuff. And all sorts of gases.
They're all stopped by different.
Red. Today is Friday, and we'll walk over here. We are right in the water. Whoa! Mommy's back. That's deep. Oh, look how deep it is. It's deep. Now this part is really shallow. What? You know you found it. Look at this rock. Look at all that rock. That's rough. That's rough. You know what it is? A cool show. I think. You